Mr. Ben here gets annoyed that I get so many packages a week, so I'm going to show him some of the things I got in the mail this week and have him guess the price because not everything I get is junk. How do you think you're going to do?
I'm going to crush it.
First off, a paddle brush.
What's a paddle brush?
It just looks like that's
a hairbrush?
Yeah, helps to smoothen out my hair.
$12.99.
It's $35.
Wow.
Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream.
This looks bigger though. Like, is it jumbo size?
Yeah.
$95.
$260.
$260? I guess this would last me a lifetime, so.
Next, a hair turban.
What's a hair turban?
Like the ones I put on my hair after I shower and stuff.
Like the 55 you have here?
No, but I don't have a white one. I needed a new white one.
I guess $16.
$50.
This is $50?
Next, I'm so excited about these cotton pads.
This looks like it's like 19 cents. You should get like 100 of these at the dollar store.
Oh, these are from a really good Japanese makeup
If you tell me
brand.
these are like $50, I'm leaving.
80 of them are for $30. And we
80 are for 30?
No, come back.
Hey.
No.
Here's a cheaper alternative, guys.
These are
Same
so special
thing.
if you guys use
Same
them.
thing.
Last but not least, my By Ava product.
Oh,
He actually has no
this
idea.
is good stuff. This product packet alone is probably like $1,000 just here, and that's a bargain. Bargain for sure.